Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami flower. Spring is just around the corner, so why not fold something like this? Alright, let's get folding. Alright, so for this model I'd recommend a 6-inch square. This model is medium level complexity, but it's nothing too hard. Alright, so for this model we are going to start white side up, and let's valley fold vertically in half. Alright, now unfold, rotate, and repeat. Alright, now we're going to fold this edge up to the center line. And again, let's rotate and repeat. Alright, and we're going to do a pinwheel base, so let's fold this edge up to this crease. And once again, rotate and repeat. Alright, now let's turn this way, and you want to valley fold this point up to this point. So let's valley fold up. And then let's unfold, but we're going to keep this fold and this fold the way they are. And then let's do the same here, point to point, and then unfold so that the folds go like this. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to do something very satisfying. We are going to take the raw corner and we're going to pull it out like that, and we're going to do it on the other three corners. So pull this down, let's pull this to the side, and then let's pull this up, and there you have your pinwheel base. Alright, now I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So what you want to do is open the pocket and squash down like this, and then do the same on the other three flaps. Like that. And I believe this is called the coaster base. And then now I'm going to zoom into just the top corner. And then you want to valley fold this point down to this point. Alright, now unfold. And then we want to open sync this point inside. So let's open this up and just push the corner inside, and let's fold it back and then we should have that. And then you want to do it with the other three corners. I'll do it again on this one. So valley fold, unfold, and then open sync inside. You're going to need to open up the model quite a bit for this. So you bring these two edges together, you bring this out like that, and you valley fold that down. Alright, and repeat with the other two. Alright, so the model should look like that. Alright, so now you want to open up the four original corners like that, and then now we want to turn over and we're going to do sort of a petal fold. So let's fold this up and let's bring this edge inside like that. And you don't want to fold this back because you don't want to mark right here, because that doesn't look very nice. And then, yeah, do the same with the other side, so it looks like that. And then just close it back up. And then you want to repeat with the other three corners. So bring this inside, and then bring the other edge inside, and then flatten it down. Make sure all of these are out, and repeat on the two other corners. Okay, so now what you want to do is turn over, and we're going to valley fold this edge in just a little bit, and then valley fold the top bit a very little bit, because we want to round out the petals. So if we do the same on the other side of the petal, it should be nicely rounded out. And then again, repeat this 3 more times on the other 3 petals. Alright, so it should look like this. You want to make all the folds as equal as you can, maybe about 1/4 from the center line. So when you turn over, it should look something like this. Alright, now we are almost done. We just have to finish the center of the flower. So you want to fold this edge up to this edge. And then do the same over here, edge to edge. And then you want to do this all the way around, so edge to edge, edge to edge, edge to edge, edge to edge. We're basically pre-creasing a bird base, and then we're going to fold it all together, and then we'll bring the 4 points outwards. Alright, so we have that, and we want to fold them all at the same time. So you push the 4 corners in with 4 fingers, and then bring them all to the top, so it forms like a little pyramid, like that. And obviously the model will not lie flat anymore, but now what we want to do is peel, sort of curve these out, or yeah, I guess kind of peel them so that they curve. You want to make sure the layers stay together and that they don't spread. A good way to do this is just to pinch down here and then curve it out, and then the last one right here, and then you can do all of them kind of at the same time just to fix it up a little bit. Ooh, and one more step I kind of forgot. You want to curl the edges just a little bit like that. It kind of looks nice just to curve everything. And you just want to curve these just a very little bit. Alright, like that. I hope you enjoyed folding this model, and in the meantime, have fun folding.